Thank you for clicking this video, but don't forget guys, click on the subscribe button because subscribe is free. With you subscribe to continue to support this channel.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello guys, good morning. Come back again with me. My name is Alfa Rorora, and now I will make a video with my daily activity. And now I'm just wake up in the 9 o'clock in the morning, and now I will prepare to go to campus. And before, I will show you my room. This is my room. Okay, and now I will show you my bathroom. This is my bathroom. Look. And now I will take a shower and see you in the next video. Hello guys, come back again with me. Now I'm finished bathing, and now I will breakfast. I'm drinking this energy in the morning and every morning, because if I'm breakfast rice in the morning, I'm go to toilet and that was bothers for me. So I will drinking this energy. Delicious. So I will drinking and prepare go to campus, and see you in the next video. Okay guys, now I will go to campus. I will go to campus, and this is my motorcycle. This motorcycle is my friend, and every day I go to campus. Okay, I will go to campus at 10 o'clock, and see you the next video. Okay guys, now I'm in mechanical engineering department, and now I will go to class and I will study. And this is my class, and this is my friends, Frankie, Aldo, and now we're going to study, and see you in the next video. Okay guys, now I'm finished study, and my friends go to home first, and this is my book. Look. And so I will go to home. See you. Okay guys, now I will eating this night, and I'm sorry I'm not making a video in this afternoon because I'm asleep, and because I'm so tired, and now I'm just wake up, and now I will eating in this night. And this is a rice, and this is my favorite fish from my mother, is shredded. Look. And now I will eating Okay. Delicious. Now I will eat them and see you in the next video. Okay guys, and early I'm eating, and now I will go to sleep at 19 o'clock, and this is my bed, and see you later.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.